Ah. Oh. That hit my knee coming down. In case anyone was wondering. A Kel-tec falling from, 5 feet down and hitting you on the knee really, really hurts. Anyways. Hello, YouTube. That was not part of the plan. But anyways, here we are. Today, showing you how to make a duck call display case out of 100-year-old barnwood. We have 410 shotgun shells to hold your calls. We have 12 gauge brass, hiding all of our screws there. We have a nice little drawer, also with shotgun shells as a handle. We have a dog making ruckus in the background because he wants me to throw his ball. Now, some of you hardcore duck hunters might notice that it's a pretty fancy case for cheap little $5 calls from Walmart. However, what I will say is when you're a master hunter such as myself, you don't need $100 calls to slay the ducks. I get it done just fine with these. However, this is for a friend. This is what he wanted, so this is what we did. We got some old barnwood nails as well here to kind of hang some stuff on, put our bands, all that good stuff. So anyways, if you like it, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. We'll get right into it. If you want one of these, shoot us a message. We can make more. All right, here is our pile of 100-year-old barnwood. Time to get it cleaned up. All right, we got kind of just some rough cut stuff here. Just give me a basic layout of kind of how I want to do this. I'm going to start running these pieces through the joiner, then the planer, try to get them all squared and symmetrical. Okay, for the middle part of this video, somehow I accidentally recorded everything in slow motion. So I've attempted to fix this through the editing process, but if things seem a little off, that would be why. And also with the slow motion, it doesn't seem to record any sound. So instead, you have my wonderful voiceover. So here I am boring out some holes for the shotgun shells. I'm using a 7/8 inch bit. And now just some pilot holes so the screws go in a little easier. This old barnwood tends to crack pretty easily, so it just helps prevent that as well. And got a piece of wood here, going to use for the front of the drawer. Just kind of cutting it to size here. Purposely left those big holes in the front. My buddy said he wanted it rustic, and in all honesty, I think it looks kind of nice as well. And here I am just cutting some additional wood for the rest of the drawer. This at the bottom, just making sure it fits all right, and just kind of piecing it all together here. Just using some simple wood glue here to put things together. That and some 1-inch brad nails. Make sure you pay attention where your support hand is when you're doing this. It really sucks when you're not paying attention and you put a nail through your finger. Why do I say that? Because I've done it, and it sucked a whole lot more than having a shotgun fall on your knee. And here I am just putting the shelves in. Same process I used to kind of put the main frame together. Just boring out some holes for the shotgun shells, some pilot holes, and then screwing everything into place. Now I'm putting on the back. These boards have already been run through the joiner, planer, kind of squared up, and I'm just kind of tacking everything down with the brad nailer. Alright, we've reached the point where we need some shotgun brass, so we can fill those in. And let's be honest, the most efficient way and most American way to get a bunch of shotgun brass is with the Kel-tec KSG. And here's why we knocked out all those primers, so we can screw these little 410 shotgun shells into place. Hindsight's always 20/20. Probably would have been a whole lot easier if I'd done this before I put the shells into place, but kind of just doing all this on the fly and really didn't have any actual plans to go by. Just using some Gorilla Glue to hold our brass in place, though you can use any type of super glue really. Yes, a couple were falling out here at the end. That's because I haven't glued that side into place yet. Just drilling a couple holes here so we can put some old nails in, and that's just to hold some lanterns, duck calls, or really whatever. Wiping things down with some mineral oil, and pretty much done. If you enjoyed this, please let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.